Jesus said, "Why do you trouble her? Leave her alone. She has done a great thing for me. Tell the world so they will always remember her, and how my forgiveness and love set her free." In the shadows of sin and darkness, her soul was crushed and worn. She was drowning in despair and sadness, empty, used, abused and torn. The final blow, abused again, just a pawn to trap the one who could see the tragedies, pains and guilt she wore. He had come to set her free. And Jesus said, "Why do you trouble her? Leave her alone. She has done a great thing for me. Tell the world so they will always remember her, and how my forgiveness and love set her free." Thrown at his feet as the guilty one by those who caused her sin, deceived, defamed, despised and shunned, stones would be her final end. Laying naked, dirty in shame and fear, knowing punishment was the only way, dirt mixed with tears. Through her terror she hears love's voice in her heart so betrayed. And Jesus said, "Why do you trouble her? Leave her alone. She has done a great thing for me. Tell the world so they will always remember her, and how my forgiveness and love set her free." Could this be true? Does someone care? Is love real? Looking up she sees Jesus' face, compassion and free forgiveness in eyes so fair, removed her shame without a trace. Her heart filled with understanding sees his end will come on a cruel cross. His gift to her poured out in love, she returned it back with an alabaster box. And Jesus said, "Why do you trouble her? Leave her alone. She has done a great thing for me. Tell the world so they will always remember her, and how my forgiveness and love set her free." Spikenard flows with her tears of love and grief. Her hair falls down, her hands dry his feet. Her heart overflows from his free forgiveness, without shame, without fear, without defeat. Her hair falls down, her hands dry his feet. Her heart overflows as no words can show. Her hair falls down, her hands dry his feet. Her heart overflows. Her heart overflows. As her hair falls down, as her tears flow freely, she knows for sure that it is true. There is no need for punishment when God's forgiveness is given freely to you. And Jesus said, "Why do you trouble her? Leave her alone. She has done a great thing for me. Tell the world so they will always remember her, and how my forgiveness and love set her free."